Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify an ERC-20 token contract on Etherscan, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify an ERC-20 token contract on Etherscan, begin by navigating to the Etherscan website. Click on the register button located at the top right corner to create an account if you don't have one. Once registered, log in to your Etherscan account. Locate the right contract tab on the token contract page. Copy the contract address of your ERC-20 token. Paste the contract address into the search bar on Etherscan and hit enter. Make sure you are on the contract page, then click on the contract tab. Select the Verify and Publish button, which will direct you to the verification form. Fill in the required fields, starting with the contract address. Choose the compiler type from the drop-down menu. Select the compiler version that matches what you used during development. Specify whether or not your contract is optimized. Now, paste the solidity code of your ERC-20 token into the provided text box. In the Constructor Arguments ABI Encoded section, enter the constructor arguments if your token has any. If your token does not include constructor arguments, you can leave this field blank. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once verified, click on the Verify and Publish button at the bottom of the page. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your contract has been successfully verified. Etherscan will now display the verified source code on your token contract page. Your ERC-20 token contract is now verified and publicly visible on Etherscan. Feel free to share the Etherscan link with others to showcase your verified contract. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.